guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Belle from budgetwithbelle.com, helping you create a budget, pay off debt, and save for the future. Today's video is going to be on how to manage your money using the 50-30-20 rule. You may be wondering what the 50-30-20 rule is. Let's get a sheet of paper so you can have a visual. Now that we have a visual representation, let's break down each category and give you an example for each. Be aware, this is using after-tax dollars, which is called your net income. For example, if you gross or make $50,000 a year, whatever the number is after taxes, that is what we're working with today. We're starting off with 50% needs or essential expense. Needs are those bills that you absolutely must pay and are things that are necessary for survival. These include rent or mortgage, car payments, groceries, insurance, healthcare, minimum debt payment, and utilities. These are your must-have items, including items that are contractually obligated. Half of your after-tax income should be all that you need to cover your needs and obligations. If you're spending more than that on your needs, you will have to either cut down on your wants or try to downsize your lifestyle. All right, on to the next one, which is your wants or lifestyle choices. This should be no more than 30% of your monthly income. A want is something that you don't necessarily need to survive, but it helps improve the quality of your life and it brings joy to you in some way. For example, hobbies, dining out. I am going to be honest here, I struggle with this quite heavily because dining out is something that my family and I really enjoy doing, but it's not good. One, it expands your waistline. Two, it deflates your wallet. That's something that in the new year we're really gonna try to will in and tighten up that area because sometimes you just don't feel like cooking. And I know a lot of us millennials and Americans, we go through this a lot. Like, what are we gonna eat? And we end up ordering in or ordering out. Let's talk about subscriptions. Those are wants that are often adds up pretty fast because some of us have Amazon Prime, Hulu, Netflix, YouTube TV, now Disney Plus, ESPN Plus. There's so many pluses, it's insane. All these companies are making millions of dollars per year while we're paying them for entertainment, but sometimes we don't need every single one of them. I would recommend maybe 2 or 3 the most and just, take it from there. And the wants category includes the upgrade decisions that you make, such as choosing to eat at a nicer fine dining restaurant than a Burger King or fast food place. These are things that just make your life more enjoyable and make you happy. At least 20% should be spent towards major financial priorities, such as your emergency fund. An emergency fund should consist of at least 6 to 12 months of living expenses. For example, if your monthly living expenses for you and your family is about $2,000 a month, you would need to put away $12,000 for a 6-month period and $24,000 for a 12-month period in case of a job loss, sickness, or serious life events that tend to happen to all of us. I know $12,000 to $24,000 sounds like a lot because it is a lot of money, but it's worth working on since life happens quite often and it's best that you're as prepared as you possibly can be. All right, in this category also is debt repayment, such as student loans, credit card, if you're financing a car, personal loans, and the such. Okay, within this category of 20%, retirement. Honestly, guys, this one is one of the most important ones to remember, but sadly, a lot of us are not on track with savings for retirement for many reasons, such as lower income or debt to income ratio, this crazy student loan crisis that a lot of us are suffering from. So because of these reasons, saving for retirement gets placed on the back burner when it should be placed right at the forefront since it's extremely important. I have a couple of recommendations of what you can do to try to get you on track for saving for retirement. For example, if you're not working full-time, get a full-time job if it's possible to do. 2, work on a side hustle whenever you can. Use that extra income that you make from your side hustle to pay down debt and contribute towards your IRA, 401k, or any form of retirement plan you have in place. And 3, once you're debt-free, continue to invest in yourself via your savings. If possible, look into different business options and ventures that can possibly help you make more money. If you'd like to see a video on how to make extra incomes on the weekends, let me know down below in the description box and we will work on that for you. All right, let me give you an example of the 50-30-20 rule. Let's say your total take-home pay each month is $3,500. Using the 50-30-20 rule, you can only spend no more than $1,750 on your needs per month. You probably can't afford a $1,500 rent or mortgage payment. At least not unless your utilities, car payment, minimum credit card payments, insurance premiums, and other necessities of life don't exceed no more than $250. And since that, what world does that exist? So let's move on. If you already own your home or you're locked into a lease, you're pretty much stuck with that $1,500 a month payment. Consider relocating when your lease expires to make your budget more manageable. Or maybe take some money away from your wants department to help balance out your needs department. Moving on to 30%. You can spend $1,050 a month on your wants based on the $3,500 you're bringing home each month. You might consider doing without a few things so you can shift some of this money to your needs column if you're coming up short, like I mentioned before. Remember, you still need 20% left over so you can save, pay down debt, and contribute to your retirement, according to the 50-30-20 rule. Now you only have $700 left out of the $3,500, and that's the last of the 20%. Put it towards paying down debt and saving for an emergency fund and planning for your future. I hope this video was resourceful for you. Please share with a loved one. Knowledge is power. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.